Hello. My name is Sophia. What's your name?
Hi, Sophia. My name is Thomas.
Welcome to Sunshine IT Solution, Thomas. You have come to the right place.
Thank you.
How can I help you today?
I need a laundry software for my business.
Great! We provide the best laundry management software.
What features does your software offer?
Our laundry software tracks orders, payments, and delivery status in real time.
Is it user-friendly and secure?
Yes, our software is fully user-friendly and highly secure.
Can it be customized according to my business needs?
Absolutely. We provide fully customized software as per your requirements.
Can it send updates to customers automatically?
Yes, it sends SMS and WhatsApp notifications automatically.
That sounds helpful. Is it easy to use?
Absolutely. It's simple, fast, and designed for modern laundry businesses.
Great. I would like to see a demo.
Sure. Our team will arrange a demo for you very soon.
Perfect. Let's get started very soon.